Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Gears of War Reloaded game crashing, not launching, freezing, not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen on Xbox consoles. So here follow the solutions. First solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. Press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, click on system. Click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Second solution is to clear Gears of War Reloaded cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Gears of War Reloaded game and highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click delete from console when deleting it, and then you can launch the game and check. Third solution is to clear persistent storage. Press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, then click on persistent storage and then click clear persistent storage. Solution 4 is to clear alternative MAC address. Press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, go to general, network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address, and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now you can launch Gears of War Reloaded game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fifth solution is to remove and re-add account. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. Click on settings in profile and system section, go to account, remove accounts. Now select the account in which you are having the issue and then remove it. And then you can add your account again. And after adding your account, launch Gears of War Reloaded game and see if your problem is solved or not. Sixth solution is to run Gears of War Reloaded from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. So to do this, type Gears of War Reloaded in the search bar and click on it and then launch the game and check if this fixes your issue or not. Solution 7 is to switch network connection. If you are using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and check. If you are using Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot and then check. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. Eighth solution is to manually select port. Press the Xbox button to open the guide, click on settings in profile and system section. In general tab, select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that start with 4 or 5, continue. Restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one work for you. Solution 9 is to change DNS server manually. Go to your Xbox settings. In the general tab, select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Enter 8888 for primary DNS and 8844 for secondary DNS. Now you can launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time type 1111 for primary DNS and 1001 for secondary DNS. And then you can relaunch the game and check. Solution 10 is to reinstall Gears of War Reloaded game. This is the last solution. If none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to simply uninstall Gears of War Reloaded game from Xbox, then fresh reinstall it, then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by following these solutions, you can fix the Gears of War Reloaded game crashing issue, not launching, freezing, not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on Xbox console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.